I'm currently in 3 positions in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have going on here top down. Let's go over this day trade that I have here going first. So here are my lower time frame charts. Here on the daily, we'll come in and I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool here. And let's put this back here. Okay. So here, there's a break of structure right where this blue dotted line is that I just moved. That line is correlated with this low here put in on the daily chart. And then you can see this candle here closes below that level. So this would be a break of structure here since price action was already being delivered to the sell side here. So this is a break of structure, which is a continuation from the market structure shift that happened in this candle here based off of a level back here. So this is a break of structure. So price action continued here with some sell side delivery. And then we can see here in this candle here, price action is showing some indecision in this area. And I am anticipating pullback to this area. So this is a fair value gap. So price action has already pulled back into this fair value gap here. Then I was able to take profit here, which is where this arrow here is located. And now with a break of structure, looking for a return back to this fair value gap here for a potential lower leg or potential sell side delivery, another leg lower here. So currently looking for long positions here on Bitcoin. I'll put this tool back up and then we'll scrub over to the 60-minute chart. So here on the 60-minute chart, you can see there's been some sell side delivery here pretty steady over the last few days since last Friday. And I'll back up and you can see I was since Friday the FOMC was taking trades here, 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 and you can see the take profits here, here, and here. And now you can see here there is consolidation coming into the market here. If I zoom in, you can see here since the sell-off yesterday, there's just been consolidation here and price action not choosing any direction. Just likely looking at this as price accumulating or the price delivery algorithm here, just setting up for whatever price direction it wants to deliver next. And here on the 5-minute, so during the AM session here, I took a long, but this was FOMO and confusion. So I really did not like this pattern that's set up, but I'm trying to do a better job of just taking the setup when I see it. But the issue with this trade was that this yellow dotted line here is the opening price at 6:30 or at 8:30 when the news embargo is lifted. So to take a long, I want to be below that level. And I took an entry here at this 62% level, which is well above that level. So I was offsides on this trade, and then I wound up needing to stop out right here. And then you can see here this afternoon, price action sets up again. You see this blue line right here. This is the market structure shift here. You can see there's an order block here. I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool and zoom in a bit. So here, there's a fair value gap here. And then you saw the Fibonacci retracement set up here. Order block being right here. So you can see price action delivered to the sell side, trade back into this order block and into this fair value gap. And I'm able to take an entry here at this fair value gap. Since then, you can see just a little bit of consolidation, and now continued buy side delivery here. And then for a stop loss, my stop is just below the swing low of the fair value gap series of candles, and my target is the high from earlier this morning that set this range in here after the news embargo was lifted, and in the pre-market of the New York morning session here. So I want to target any buy side liquidity that's resting up here. So anyone who would have gone short, they'll have buy stops resting up here. My trade idea is to raid that liquidity. And then on my higher time frame charts, I took 2 positions on Bitcoin to the long side. Bring your attention here to the monthly chart. You can see here on the monthly chart, the monthly chart is bullish here, so you can see that price action delivered to the buy side here. There's a break of structure here. So Bitcoin looking strong here on the monthly, but pulling back in this current month. And then here on the weekly, we can see buy side delivery here from a break of structure, some consolidation, and now we're getting selling. I'll zoom in, and this trade idea was based off of you can see there is a level here. This is where I have a short position that I'm waiting on here, but this is in line also with a market structure shift. So you can see there's buy side delivery here, consolidation here, and then this candle here, the body of this candle here closes below these bodies. So this would this equals a market structure shift to the sell side here. And then depending on how this week closes, if this week closes as is or lower, there'll be a fair value gap right in this area. And this candle will have formed a fair value, or a fair value gap will be here in this candle. And if that happens, then with some continued sell side, I'll be looking for pullback and continued sell side. But right now, with this market structure shift and continued sell side, and the price action on the daily chart, I'm anticipating some pullback here on the weekly. And then if we come over to the 4-hour chart here, you can see that there is a fair value gap that formed right here. So there's this fair value gap here. And this fair value gap, this has just been extended out in time. And I took my entries here and targeting this fair value gap, targeting the lower end of that fair value gap, with this limit entry being here at the rebalance of that fair value gap. But this will give you an idea here. I'll zoom in here on the 4-hour. You can see took an entry here. So this candle here rebalance, and this is an intermediate term low here, because this rebalanced this fair value gap when it pulled, when it balanced with the order block. And then you can see there's been some buy side since I've been able to get an entry. And then my target is here, the lower end of this fair value gap here. And then if all goes well, we'll go back over to the daily chart here. And then if all goes well, again, anticipating pullback here into this fair value gap here at the 62% for potential another leg down here, and the trade would be to sweep out any sell side liquidity resting below this candle here for today. And if that trade was able to, if I'm able to get an entry on that trade, my stop loss is just above this candle here for the swing high of the fair value gap series, and then to take profit down here at this sell side liquidity resting below today's candle, or today's daily candle. But if you'd like to know more on what we have going on, feel free to check us out at onetilttrading.com. Trade smart, trade safe,